BlueStar's new dual fuel range has excellent output and the ability to customize as well, and a few problems. So should you buy it? In this video, you'll learn their best features and whether you should consider the BlueStar in your kitchen versus, say, a Wolf, Miele, Thermador, SKS, or other Pro range. The X8 burner is based on the 8 points of flame. Unlike their current gas unit, the burner is sealed rather than open, with a 20-inch circumference to cover most pans and 152 heat ports for more distribution than any other cooktop. It's the same claim behind the Thermador Star burner, which is yet to be determined. More heat from more places doesn't necessarily translate into more evenly cooked food from a pan. That said, the burner excels for other reasons. The X8 burners deliver the same 25,000 BTU output as their open burner on their gas stoves. For years, open burners were marketed to have greater BTU because of greater flow of oxygen. However, Heston has a sealed 30,000 BTU burner, Wolf has a sealed 35,000 BTU burner, so BlueStar changing the seal was inevitable. The range is hot, really hot. In fact, it's the hottest range in the market. You have 25,000 BTU burners in the front and 18,000 BTU in the back. Heston and Wolf have hotter single burners, but BlueStar has the highest total BTU output by far. Each burner simmers at 500 BTU on all burners. SKS and Thermador have 100 BTU simmer, but only on 2 burners. Wolf has a 340 BTU burner on all their burners, but 500 is decent, especially with their high output. The Griddle is a gas 15,000 BTU. Gas is an instant on and better than Thermador's electric griddle. Wolf and Miele have better directed infrareds at 17,000 BTU. Wolf has a gas at 18,000 BTU. The BlueStar griddle is commercial steel, much like a Wolf. However, the chromium Jenn-Air griddle will be easier to clean. You just have 4 models, 2 each in 36 and 48. BlueStar has a decent capacity at 5.1 cubic foot for the main oven and 2.7 cubic foot for the smaller ovens. Like all their appliances, the ovens are made to hold a commercial baking sheet. Both ovens are single fan European convection. Some brands like Jenn-Air and Miele offer twin convection for even more heat distribution than larger ovens. Wolf switched their high-speed blower convection and their dual fuel in 2021. BlueStar all-gas ranges offer no controls, not even clocks and timers. If you're surprised, neither does Thermador in their Harmony series, Wolf in all-gas, and even La Cornue offers just basic knob controls. The new BlueStar dual fuel offers a 7-inch touchscreen. Screen tilts like the Monogram and Fisher Hill to be viewed easier. Controls are excellent. Your Monogram Wolf and Miele may have better functionality. We'll explain why in the problems section of the video. While many brands like Wolf, Miele, Monogram, SKS, Jenn-Air, and Thermador offer stainless as your only choice, BlueStar's at the other extreme, offering 1,000 colors and 10 trim styles. You can even customize one of your own. 75% of all BlueStar ranges bought by customers at Yale are in a custom color. And by the way, the range is a perfect place to add color, even in a white kitchen, because it is central and the primary focal point in your kitchen. Dual fuel is certainly an improvement. You have the highest output along with a good simmer on every burner. The capacity and controls are decent, plus the ability to customize with color is unmatched by any other brand. Your choices are limited, but the configurations with burners and griddles are the most popular. That said, the following features are missing. The most popular and standard size range is 30-inch. Yet the new BlueStar is not offered in a 30-inch. I could say the same for 60-inch, even though BlueStar makes it in their all-gas models, but it's not a popular size. They have grills and French tops in their all-gas series, so they should be able to do it in a dual fuel. However, the French tops can cook many items at different temperatures at the same time. They're not that popular, but BlueStar already produces the option in a larger 48 and 60-inch range. Wolf and La Cornue are the only others with the French top option. Grills are not as widely sold as griddles, yet BlueStar again has it in their RMB series gas ranges, so why not in the dual fuel? Induction has become a more popular option. Fisher Hill, Thermador, and SKS now offer induction in the Pro ranges, mostly because induction doesn't need as much venting as gas and has a lower simmer. There have been advances in convection technology, with Wolf being the best with their verticross blowers. BlueStar has the standard single convection oven. Thermador and SKS offer a steam oven option in their ranges, so you can cook a whole meal in steam for tasty food because steam doesn't bake out the nutrients. Miele has steam assist, adding up to 3 bursts of steam to bake bread and to caramelize the tops of food like your lasagna. The BlueStar controls are decent, but the Miele MasterChef and Wolf Gourmet are more robust. In both, you can input food type and how you want to cook. Both will calculate correct time and temperature. Wolf will even set rack position, while Miele will offer the steam functionality. Smart functionality has been slow to evolve. The original smart ranges just offered the basics, turning on the range on and off from your phone and setting the temperature. The more recent smart ranges, however, will have recipe tie-ins to Innit, Side Chef, and Heston. The Monogram adds new modes to its built-in menu like turkey and steakhouse, to name a few recent ones. For your other choices, click on this video for your best 48-inch ranges, or for the best vents for a powerful range like this, click here. And thanks for watching.